Hello. Today we are going to study about base number with the base of 8. Okay, that is called as octal. Okay, that is octal. Octal means base of 8. Therefore, it has 8 digits. Namely, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After counting 7, you are going to go back to 0, but of course, it must have 1 on the left. So let's say, for example, we have here, to visualize what I am talking about, we have here. If we are going to count from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So after 7, of course, we're going to go back to 0, but you are going to write 1 on the left. And then 0, 1, and then 11. That will be 11. And then after 1, we have 2. Then write 1 on the left. Then 3, 13, 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, you are going to start again. Okay, you are going to start again into 0. We have here 0, but you are going to write 2 already. And then 1, 2, so on and so forth. That is all about base number with a base of 8, the octal. Okay, so to learn further, I have here, okay, let us try to visualize numbers from 0 until 20. Okay, we have 0 until 20, and then I will give you some exercise to practice. Okay, so we have here. First, we will start from 0. Okay, we will start from 0. So, the number, if we are going to count, we'll start from 0. Alright, so 0, that is base 10 because in decimal. And then we have 0 times 8 raised to the power of 0, that is 0, of course. And then we have 1 equals 1 times 8 raised to 0, that is 1. Because any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. So this is 1, of course. Then 1 times 1 is 1. Another, we have 2 times 8, 0. That is 2. And then let's proceed to number 3. Okay, we'll have number 3. 3 base 10 equals 3 times 8, 0 equals 3. Okay, remember that we are going to multiply all the numbers by 8 since we are having the base of 8. And then we have 4. Okay. Times 8, 0, we have here. This is 0. Equals 4. And then 5, 10. We have 5 times 8 raised to the power of 0, that is 5. Okay, that will be until 7, of course. Okay, 6 times 8 raised to the power of 0 is 6. 7 base 10, we have 7 times 8 raised to the power of 0, that is 7. So we are now finished until 7. Okay, we are finished until 7. So we are going to go back to 0. Okay, as mentioned earlier, that we are going to have 0, but you have to write 1, meaning to say 10. So 10, that is equals to 0 times 8. 0, we have 0. And then 1 times 8 raised to 1, that is 8. And then you are going to plus 0 plus 8. Okay, 0 plus 8, that is 8. Therefore, this is 1 0 is equivalent to 8. Alright. So how to deal with that one? Okay. How to deal with that one? You have here. Okay. You have to remember that 8 with the base 10, that is equals to 1 0 base 8. Okay, as shown earlier, that we have 0 times 8 raised to the power of 0, that is 0, and then 1 times 8 with the power of 1, okay, 1, that is 8. Of course, you are going to plus 8 and 0, that will give you 8. So we have here 8. And then for number 9 in decimal, that is equals to blank in octal. That is, of course, we have 1 and 1, because we have here 1 times 8 with the power of 0, that gives you 1. And then another 1 times 8 with the power of 1, that is 8. So you are going to plus 1 plus 8, that will give you 9. So this is number 9. Therefore, this one, 9 with the base 10 is equals to 11 with the base 8. And of course, we have here 8 with the base 10 is equals to 10, or 1 0 with the base of 8. Another, let's go farther. Let's try 15. Okay, higher number, okay? We have here 15. 15 with the base of 10. What is equivalent in base of 8? So of course, we are going to divide 15. To make it clear, we are going to divide 15. Okay, 15 divided by 8. Okay, 15 divided by 8. Okay, that is only 1. And then, what will be our remainder? We have 7. Okay, our remainder is 7. Therefore, our number is 1 and 7. Therefore, this will become 17 base 8. To check whether 17 is correct, we have here. Let's try 7 times 8 power of 0 is 7. And then 1 times 8 to the power of 1 is 8. Okay. And then we are going to plus 7 plus 8 is equals to 15. Alright. So our answer 17, 1 7 base 8 is correct. Alright. So another example. Okay, another example. Let's try. We'll have here 34. Okay, 34 with the base 10. What will be its equivalent in the base of 8? Alright, so we have here 34 divided by 8. What is 34 divided by 8? So we can have that 4. Okay, because 4 times 8 is 32. And then our remainder is 2, of course. So our equivalent for 34 with the base 10 is 4 and 2. Therefore, we have 4 and 2. Okay, to check whether our answer is correct, we have here. Let's multiply. Okay, 2 times 8 with the power of 0, we have 2. And then 4 times 8 power of 1 is 4 times 8 is 32. And then 2 plus 32 will give you 34. So our answer 42 is correct. Okay, 42 is correct. Okay. So you try this one. Okay, you try this one. 54. Okay, 54 with the base of 10. Okay, what will be your answer? Of course, that is in the base of 8 because we are studying octal. Alright, so our answer is, okay, we have 6 and 6 with the base of 8. Okay, why? Because we have 6 times 8 with the power of 0 is 6. And then 6 times 8 with the power of 1 is, yes, 48. So if we are going to add 6 plus 48 will give us 54. Okay, I hope you learned and understood our discussion with the base of 8. So just remember that you are going to divide the given number in decimal by 8. No, we have here 54 divided by 8. What is 54 divided by 8? Of course, will give you 6. And then when you multiply 6 times 8, 6 times 8, that will give you 48. So we have 54 minus 48 will give you 6. Therefore, our remainder is 6. That is why we have here 6. We have here 6 and 6. That is why we have here 66 with the base of 8. That is equivalent to 54. Alright, so that's all for base of 8. So let's proceed to base of 9. Okay, we have here base of 9. How to deal with the base of 9? That is what we call nonary. Okay, nonary is the base of 9. And therefore, it has 9 digits from 0 going to 8. The same with the octal. After the number of 8, you are starting again with 0, but you are going to write 1. Therefore, it's 10. Okay. To visualize, we have here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we finish 8, okay, if we finish 8, of course, we will start with 0, but you have 1. Therefore, 10. And then, therefore, after 10, that is 11. After 11, that is 12. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then 18. After 18, you will start also with 0 but has 2 on the right. Okay, therefore 20 next is 21, 22, so on and so forth. Okay, to further understand base of 9, okay, let's have to try an example dealing with the base of 9. Okay. So this is base of, okay, base of 9. What do you call that? Is nonary. Okay, nonary. All right. So we have here, if we are going to count, of course, we'll start from 0. So 0, that is also in nonary, that is 0. In decimal 1, of course, that is also 1 in nonary. If that is 2, that is 2 also in nonary. If we write 3, that is also 3 in nonary. 4, that is also 4. 5, that is also 5. 6, that is also 6. And then 7, that is also 7. And then 8, that is also 8. How about 9? What is 9 in base of 9? Okay, 9, that is 1, 0. Okay, with the base 9, of course. This is base 10 because that is decimal. Decimal, that is the number that we are using right now. From 0 to 10, we have 11, 12, 13, so on and so forth. All right. And then, how to check whether our 9 with the base 10 is equals to 1, 0 with the base 9? To check if it is correct, we are going to multiply 0 times 9 power of 9, 0, sorry, equals 0, of course. And then 1 times 9 with the power of 1, that is 9. And then we are going to plus 0 plus 9. That will give you 9. Alright, therefore, the digit 1, 0 with the base 9 is equivalent to 9 in the decimal number. Okay. And then how about 10? Okay. 10. What will be its equivalent in the base of 9? So we have here 10. Of course, we can divide 10 divided by 9. Okay, the process is to divide 10 by 9 because we have in base 9. Therefore, we are going to divide all the numbers by 9. So 10 divided by 9 is 1. And then the remainder is 1. Therefore, we have 1, 1 with the base of 9. To check if our answer is correct, we have here 1 times 9 . Okay, 1 times 9 with the power of 0 will give you 1. And then 1 times 9 with the power of 1 is 9. You're going to plus 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. Therefore, 1, 1 is correct. Okay, this is the equivalent. Okay, that is the equivalent for 10. How about 11? 11. How about 11? Okay, what is equivalent of 11 in the base of 9? Okay, so of course, the same process. We are going to divide 11 divided by 9. That is 1. 1 times 9 is 9. 11 minus 9 is 2. Therefore, we have 1, 2. Okay. The same process on how to check whether our answer is correct. We have here 2 times 9 with the power of 0 equals 2. and then 1 times 9 with the power of 1, that is 9. And then we are going to plus 2 plus 9 is equals to 11. Therefore, our answer 12 with the base of 9 is correct. Okay, that is correct. All right, so let's try another example. Okay, try this one. Okay, we have 44 with the base of 10. What will be its equivalent in the base of 9? Okay, so we'll have 44 divided by 10. Divided by 9. Okay, divided by 9. So what is 44 divided by 9? That will give you 4. Okay, that will give you 4. And our remainder is 8. Therefore, we have here 4, 8 with the base of 9. To check if our answer is correct, we have here multiply. We have 8 times 9 with the power of 0. We have here 9 with the power of 0 is 1. Therefore, 1 times 8 is 8. And then 4 times 9, the power of 1 is same as 9 times 4. We have 36. And then 8 plus 36, that will give you how much? 44. Therefore, the answer 48 with the base of 9 is correct. Okay, this is correct. All right. So try this one for the last time. Okay, we have 64 with the base 10 is equals to blank base of 8. Base of 9. Sorry, we have base of 9. So, we have, all right, we have 7, 1. Okay, how we get 7 and 1? We have 64 divided by 9. Okay, 64 divided by 9, we have 7. 9 times 7 is 63. Therefore, 64 minus 63 is 1, our remainder. That is why we have 7 and 1. To check, we have 1 times 9, 0 will give you 1. 7 times 9 will give you 63. And then 1 plus 63 is equals to 64. So, our answer 71 with the base 9 is correct. Okay, this is correct. All right. So, that's all for base of 8 and base of 9. Okay. For the next video, we are going to study further base of 11, 12, so on and so forth. But as of today, that's all for the base of 8 and base of 9. I hope you learned and you understood our discussion for today. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day.